Hi children, how are you all? Yeah, hope you are all very good. Yes, children, I am fine, thank you. A very good morning and a very Tuesday morning to you all. Yeah, everyone had your breakfast? Yes, I also had my breakfast, children. Very good. Now, as you all know that we are going to start our classes daily with a new thought, and you all know these thoughts are like inspirations for you, and the today's thought is try hard and dream big. You know children, you'll dream in the night, no, as you want to become, not only in the night, in the daytime also you will feel to become like a IAS officer, IPS officer, and a doctor. You want to become like IAS or IPS and a police officer, a doctor, something you want to become, so you'll dream, yes or no? So to get your dream to a correct position, you should try very hard. మీరు కళ కంటారు కదా, ఆ కళ నెరవేర్చుకోవడానికి you should try very hard to become that, to fulfill your dream. Yeah children, and we have completed our thought today, and get your belongings and sit in your posters. And very good children, you are listening very nice to your online classes, and you are submitting your homework. Yeah, very nice. Now get into your positions, everyone. Set your belongings. Yeah children, very good. Now open your studios, as I am ready with my studio. Yeah, very good. Hi, as you all completed the 7.9 as your homework, now we'll deal with the 7.10 activity, children. As yesterday we have learned about the three pictures that with our different heights and different measurements, and different height, different length, and different breadth. So yesterday class we have learned the volume of cuboid, that is equal to length into breadth into height. So if you want to find the length of volume of a cuboid, what measurements we want? We want length, breadth, and also the height. So here you have a 7.10 activity, look deep. See, I am reading the question. You also should solve it. Neeti made a shoe box. Yes, children, you will buy your shoes, no? Yes, your shoes will be kept in a box and you will be given it in the shape of a cuboid. So, what shape it is? It is in a cuboid shape as shown. So, what is the volume of the box? Now, you need to find the volume of the box. There you have the measurements. There you have the measurements, see, length, breadth, and also the height. Yes or no children? You have the measurements, length, breadth, and height. So the volume of the length here is 20 centimeters. The volume of the, the length of the box is 20 centimeters. So length place, and the breadth of the box is 6 centimeters, and the height is 10 centimeters. So we should multiply to get the volume. So the volume of the length, the volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. If you multiply the length into breadth into height, you get the answer. So 20 into 6 into 10 is equal to 1200 cubic centimeters. So the volume of the shoe box, which is in cuboid shape, is 1200 cubic centimeters. Now you understood, everyone? Yeah, very nice. Now turn the page. Yeah, now you have turned the page, no? Now you see, and Neeti has also prepared one more box which is of length 40 centimeters. Why she prepared one more box? See, why she prepared means, see, I will explain you. Once she finished, so she found that she could keep only one shoe in it. So in the box which she has prepared, she can keep only one shoe in it. So she started again this time, and she doubled the length. Will she be able to fit in the two shoes now? Yes or no children? In the before box the length was 20. Now the length here is 40 centimeters. The length here is 40 centimeters. Now what she did? She increased the size of the shoe box. She increased the size of the shoe box, but the breadth is same and the height is same. Now you need to find this volume of this box also. So volume of the box is length into breadth into height, which is equal to 40 into 6 into 10. So it is equal to 2400 cubic centimeters. See children, approximately we have doubled the value. Correctly we have doubled the volume. So double the length. In the before box the length is 20 centimeters. Now the length is 40 centimeters. As we doubled the length of the box, the volume is also doubled. In the before the volume is 1200 cubic centimeters. Now it is 2400 cubic centimeters. See, now next, the new volume was doubled the old volume. Yes or no children? The new old volume is, how much is the old volume? It is 1200 cc. Now the new volume is 2400 cc. See, the new volume was doubled the old volume. So she could fit in 2 shoes, but she was not happy with the box as she has placed 2 shoes in front of each other. Now you see children, she prepared 2 boxes, but in the first box she used to keep the shoes in this way. Now the box which is of length 40 centimeters is this one. So can we keep the shoes like this? Can we keep the shoes like this? No, it is wrong. Can we keep the shoes like this children? No, it is wrong. So as the shoes are kept like this, she is not happy. So doubling the breadth or height would also double the volume. Now you see children, in the second box the breadth is doubled. The height is also doubled. The height in the sense like this. The height is also doubled and the breadth is also doubled. So the doubling of this height and breadth also increases the volume of the box. The following image shows the shoe box with the breadth doubled. In this box the breadth is doubled children. In the previous box the breadth is 6 centimeters. Now in this box the breadth is 12 centimeters. The breadth is 12 centimeters. In a cupboard, when you double any side, the volume also doubles. Not only length children. In the first box the length is 20 centimeters. Now the length is 40 centimeters. Now the length is 40 centimeters. Now in the second boxes which already shoes are kept, you see. The breadth is here is 6 centimeters. The breadth here it is 6. The breadth here is 6 centimeters. But in this box the breadth is 12 centimeters. So here the height and the breadth also increased. In this box the length is increased. So the doubling of any side like height, breadth and also the length, that increases the volume also. The volume also will get doubled. In general, when we multiply one side by a number, we multiply the volume by the same number. If you multiply one side by a number, next we will multiply the volume by the same number children. Why? Because now you see here 6, the breadth is 6 centimeters. Now here it is 12 centimeters. So it is doubled. Yes or no? If you multiply one side by a number, if you multiply one side, so 6 into 2, doubled, no? 6 into 2 is 12. See, we multiply the volume by the same number. In the previous box, the volume is 12 centimeters. If you double 1200 into 2, you get it as 2400 cubic centimeters. Now, coming to the next page, the page number 185 in your studio is your is your homework, children. It is your homework. I'll explain this. You do your homework and post it in my group, children. Now you see, if you use the same number of unit cubes to create different objects, they will have the dash volume. Suppose I have taken 2 water bottles. I have taken the 2 water bottles. One is of half liter and another one is also the half liter water bottle, children. Not only water bottles, you can take any boxes. You take your chalk piece box. I kept the chalk pieces in the box, and the same chalk pieces I took and I kept in the another box which is of in a rectangle shape. I took one square box and another one is a rectangle box. Whatever the chalk pieces I kept in the square box have been removed and kept in the rectangle box. Yes or no? But here what happened? The volume will be same. The volume will be same, children. Why? Because the same chalk pieces I am keeping it in the rectangular box. So that the volume will be same for both the boxes, but the shape will be different. You can see here, create different shapes by attaching one cube of 2 centimeters side. You need to create here two different shapes by attaching the one cube of 2 centimeters side. So you need no cube. This is a cube, children. 2 centimeters cube and 2 cubes of one side centimeter. So you need to add more 2 cubes which are of one centimeter. So you can use the cubes that you made on the 7.2 hands-on activity. You have already prepared small cubes on the day before yesterday's class. As reference you can use it and try to draw 2 of the shapes you created in the space provided. You should draw the shapes here. Any 2 shapes you can draw and you should write the volume here. Next, the second question you have. If you made the same object with the clay, now you are preparing them with the paper and you need to make them with the clay. Will it still have the same volume? Yes, children, it will have the same volume. Why? Because with whatever you prepare, it is not important, but we need the volume here. So if you make it with paper or with clay, the volume will not change. Volume does not depend upon what the object is made from. If paper or same volume will get, if you prepare with the clay also, you will get the same volume. So volume does not change and it does not depend upon the material what you use to prepare. Okay, it is clear right now. Post your homeworks, do the homework and post it in the group, post it to my mobile number, children. I hope you all understood and we will meet in the tomorrow's session. By this I am winding up our class.